Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is day 7 of the Advent calendars. And y'all, I already started filming, but I didn't turn on the camera. So day 7 is way up here in the chocolate calendar, and this is a mousse au chocolat truffle. So I've not been eating them because I'm talking to you, so I don't want to be rude. So I will put this over here out of the way. And Smudge is up here with me, and I have the Macys 25 Days of Beauty from Cece Strauss Highest Life and Laura the Bargain Hunter. And I mentioned to y'all yesterday that there is this bounce back card, and I read about it. It is a $10 off of Macys that you can use, you know, for anything, or maybe for beauty, not sure. So day 7 is over here, and you're supposed to poke it in, and and then take it out. Ooh, okay. I love Sunday Rally. This is the CEO, what does it say? 15% vitamin C brightening serum Sunday Rally. And Sunday Rally is wonderful. I've only had it a few times, y'all, and I really like it. I'm telling you something, this has been a wonderful calendar so far. I'm really, really enjoying it. So thank you, Cece and Laura. And now Smudge, here's yours. I have the Merry and Bright Feline So Festive with cat toys from PetSmart. I don't know if it's a PetSmart brand. I'm looking at it. I don't think so. It just so happens that that's where I found it online. And day 7. And Smudge has been enjoying it. Blue, he plays with the items later, but he is not necessarily... here's 7. Here it is, the top of the door. He's not necessarily coming up to help. So this has a little thing down here. Whoops. And then the door can pop off. Oh, this is something fun. Okay, so this is a little pillow. Just a little pillow. It's probably, what, I think it's got the catnip in there. So it's got these little strings. Now this is the kind of thing that actually Blue likes to hold on to. What do you think, Smudge? Come on into camera. Come on. Come on. There it is. You like that? You like that? And y'all, if you are following the treasure hunt, today you will tell me that you saw the Cherry Crush from ColourPop. You can say it any way you want. You can say palette, you can say ColourPop, you can say cherry, and this is it. And there is no mirror. It's a gorgeous palette of purples and reds. The Cherry Crush by ColourPop. And if you want an explanation of the treasure hunt, I talked about it on my Friday Night Gab. Here comes Blue. This past Friday Night Gab, and I also talk about it again on my Mask Monday, December 5th. So if anybody else needs clarification, that's what I'll do on the next Friday Night Gab. I'll talk about it again. But it's a little complicated, so, but anyway, what do you think? You like that? Blue, you like that? Y'all, thanks for stopping by to see our Advent calendars. And this is adorable. I'm not sure what's going on. The boys, they just ate. They're tired. Okay. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings.